Good morning, students. Today we are going to do page 54, grade 3rd EVS. Why is there so much noise in the jungle? I just cannot sleep. Owl said that who is making too much noise in the jungle? This bird said, Dear owl, the birds are all praising themselves and shouting. The owl said, Stop this hullabaloo. Why are you quarreling? We are all special in our ways. Our claws, beaks, feathers, and sound are different yet we are all birds. What owl said that we all are special and their beaks, their feathers, our sound all are different. So we all are special. Now what he said, if we all looked alike, ate the same food and made the same sound, think how dull the world would be. Now here owl said that if we are eating same food, we are eating look like the same, if we have the same sound, what will happen or how world will be word. कैसा लगता आपको? Which of these birds mentioned in this lesson have you seen? Write their names. In this lesson, which bird you have seen? Write their names in this bracket. Now go outside and look on the tree, in water, on a ground, or in ground around bushes. How many birds could you see? Now this is your activity that you have to go outside and you have to observe the bird that in the water, on a ground, in and around bushes. And how many birds could you see? आपने कितने birds देखे हैं? Now in the table, write the name of birds and tick correct place where you have show them. If you do not know the names of any birds, then write how you would know it. आप उसको कैसे पहचानोगे? Here, it is activity for you that you have to go outside and you have to observe the bird. Okay, here in page number 55, you can see one box. Name of the birds: crow, pigeon, duck, crane, parrot, and hen. I have seen this bird around our area. Now in a water, duck and crane. Yes. On a tree, you have to take it the correct here in the box. Tree पर देखने के लिए. On a ground, hen. In the house, pigeon. Flying. So he is flying. So you have to tick that birds in this box. You have to just write the name of birds and you have to tick correct there. Now, have you ever noticed that different birds have a different type of beaks? Here, that pictures are given. There are different type of beaks. Given below a picture of a beaks of birds. Look at them very carefully, identify the birds and write their names. Here you have to identify the birds and their beaks. First is parrot. How can we say that is the parrot beak? Because his beak is red in color and उसके जो neck है वो red and black है, eyes red है. So we can see this is the parrot. Now we can see this is crow. So crow have a black beak and black eye. So उसके shape भी different है. So we can see this is a crow. Now peacock. See, peacock beak is different, color is different, and he is having crest on his head. So it's called peacock. Now you have to observe all the birds and you have to write here. I hope you are clear with this exercise. Thank you.